Marami nagtatanong dati about work-life balance. In fact, akala ng ibang tao wala akong full-time job. Magugutom tayo niyan. Di pwede yan. Reality is that all of us needs to work. So ang tanong, meron bang work-life balance? So unless you're a nepo baby or you're retired with good savings, or maganda yung passive income model mo, reality is that a lot of us workers really need to balance this work and life thing. Pero from a time perspective, there's no such thing as work-life balance. But there's a cheat code. Pareto's 80-20 rule. 20% of what you do in life can give you 80% of your life's fulfillment. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Even if you travel once a year, that 2 weeks, o sabihin na natin 1 month, is probably the highlight of your year. So look at the weekly perspective. Ang tip dyan, we need to protect our weekends at saka yung free time after office or before work starts. So ang kailangan dyan, how do you protect that? You know, don't just spend your weekend resting, going to movies, or playing games. Pursue your passion. Ano ba yung mga gusto mo? Art, sports, travel. And don't just go wasting your time, you know, mulling or doing other things na hindi nag-a-add ng value sa life mo. So, 2 steps. 1, plan your weekend at saka yung after office. Diba mga pwede mong gawin that adds value. Second, make a list. Ano ba yung mga activities na to that I can do that you think will add value to your life, will add meaning, na merong fulfillment, para hindi ligaw-ligaw lang you're doing random things and then you realize na, oh no, atanda ko na. So that's it. That's our next step. Teka, naligaw na yata ako. Kaya saan papunta to? Okay, thank you.